judges, teachers, guests, and participants of FRSIS 2022. Now, I'd like to introduce our judges for today. The Chief Judge is Mr. Lee Zahid bin Lim Muhammad Idris, Vice President 2 of FRSIS Malaysia. The second judge is Ms. Amira binti Salih from SM Science Masibute. The third judge is Ms. Mastina Wati bin Ahmad from SM Science Masibute. And I, LG from Al-Ashar Science School, while the timekeepers, Uzairi Hakimi bin Saizan and Muhammad Ali Berdima bin Hamzah are from Sekolah Dato Abdul Razak. Now, allow me to read the rules. Each team should consist of presenters and a technical assistant. The presentation must focus on the sub-theme assigned to the team. The duration of the presentation should not be more than 10 minutes. The bell will be rung once at the 9th minute and twice at the 10th minute. A question and answer session will be conducted after each presentation. Now, I would like to invite Experimental School of Science Education to present.
Good morning, teachers and students. It's a pleasure to be here today to present to you our study. So let's begin. Our presentation includes 3 parts, with the first one being career sustainability and its connection to SDG 9. The second part is about how the pandemic impacts on the career landscape and career trends. And the third part is going to be about Vietnamese students and how prepared they are for a post-COVID future of work. So let's begin the presentation.
First part will be career sustainability in this connection to SDG 9. So, what is career sustainability? According to the research handbook of the Business and Management series, career sustainability is aligned with the interests, strengths, and values and offer ongoing learning and renewal. But career sustainability is enable you to stay healthy, happy, productive, and employable throughout the span, and fits in with your life at every stage. The state of our environment and the social system and the survival of COVID-19 have made more and more people aware of the need for humanity to change approaches to our more objective, sustainability, in which career sustainability is considerably accountable. So what about SDG 9? What is Sustainable Development Goal 9? SDG 9 seeks to build resilient infrastructures, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. The COVID-19 has demonstrated the importance of industrialization, technological innovation, and resilient infrastructures in building back better and achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 9 is interlinked with job creation, job opportunities for women and youth, and job growth. Let's take the opportunity on SDG 9 to driven on career sustainability. Next, please welcome Fuji, who will be starting the second part.
Moving on to our second part, we're going to talk about the impacts of the pandemic on the career landscape and career trends. The pandemic has accelerated various trends that may reshape the career landscape after the pandemic recedes. And one of the most obvious changes is flexible work. According to a survey by ADP Research Institute, 71% of workers would like to work with more flexibility. And we are also going to talk about the various trends, some of the trends that are the most significant during and post-pandemic. So the first trend is digital transformation, followed by the rise in automation and the emergence of hybrid work. So let's start with our first trend. Digital transformation. So, according to Microsoft, COVID-19 and the economic crisis that it unleashed have added around 250 million roles to the global unemployment rate. However, this disruption has also accelerated digitalization, which Microsoft projects will create around 149 million jobs within the next 5 years. Here on the pie charts are some digital jobs that the global economy will need to fill by 2025. Moving on to our second trend, the rise in automation. The future of jobs projects that by 2025, the hours of work performed by machine and people will be almost equal, and that around 85 million roles are set to be replaced by automation, primarily across manual and repetitive roles spanning both blue-collar and white-collar jobs. COVID-19 has also accelerated the adoption of AI and automation, especially in work arenas with high physical proximity. Data scientists, robotic engineers, AI and machine learning specialists are predicted to be some of the most in-demand roles within the next 5 years. Moving on to our third trend, the emergence of hybrid work, which is perhaps one of the most significant trends during and post-pandemic. Hybrid work has shown efficiency, even though it only began as an alternative to restricted on-site work. It has shown efficiency as it creates a better work-life balance for workers and allow them to work with more flexibility. According to a survey by McKinsey, as you can see here on my slide, prior to the pandemic, 2/3 of employees interviewed preferred working fully on-site. However, as of now, half of those interviewed say that they would like to continue hybrid work in the future, while only 37% still wish to work fully on-site. Let's move on to our third one.
In order to grasp where students are now, I've been local and post-school future work. Our team conducted a survey and research sources. The article on our survey is presented people's opinion on how to prepare for a post-school future of work. 64% of respondents believe technology solutions may affect the area of study and future job, and see this as an opportunity for them to explore the partner. Out of other crucial skills such as English, problem solving, creativity, and analysis, 78% of respondents indicate that learning and thinking is the most common skills in the future career. 87% of respondents said that they would have felt more prepared for the workforce if they had participated in more industries to develop more professional experience and personal development plans in school. The awareness of mindset change in the youth movement now, from traditional theoretical learning approach. Now, many students acknowledge that they have to prepare themselves with practical, professional, vocational skills and experience, especially in such a post-COVID time right now. So, how and where is students can get more prepared for the post-COVID future of work? Our research and collection of information show that the skill learning platform provided for students come from both schools and businesses. Many schools in Vietnam have applied experience-based and skill-based learning for students, such as educations, adventures and lectures, studios, laboratories, workshops, role-based case study approaches, and computer simulations. Active participation in these activities during schooling are helping students to build up experience and skills for their future career sustainability. This is our school, experimental school of education and science. Our school also applies STEAM education in the academic program and conducts STEM fair for students. Through that, we can gain much more crucial skills and experience for our future career, such as creativity, teamwork, communication skills, critical thinking skills, and curiosity. The business system now also need a capable workforce to develop sustainably in the future. So they need to coordinate with schools to provide on-the-job training and work placement to fill skill gaps for students and get them ready for a future employability. We also refer to the expert opinion. This such an important human resource forecaster, Vice Chairman of Muslim City, Vocational Education Association. He points out that the biggest limitation of young students is that they don't understand themselves and don't understand the labor market. Training on skills student needs for a future. The expert has said, apart from skills mentioned from the survey results above, the very first skill students need to learn is to understand the labor market, which is a suitable job of one's own ability. Understanding the labor market will help students to make the right decisions in future education and future career.
Digitalization, AI, the adoption of AI and automation are only some of the numerous trends that are happening within the labor markets. Therefore, proactively identifying skill gaps, reskilling and upskilling will help prepare students the best for a future of work after the pandemic. As Charles Darwin once said, it is not the strongest of species that survive nor most intelligent, but the one most adaptable to change. And lastly, I'd like to thank you, students and teachers and students, for giving us an opportunity to dive into a topic which has given us insights into what our future work might look like. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.
Now, I would like to invite the audience to ask questions. A maximum of 2 questions can be asked.
Bấm tiếp đi. Bấm tiếp. Tiếp. Bấm tiếp. Tiếp. Tiếp cái cú. Để đây.